So this is a little breakfast hack. You can get 2 quick service meals, which are, they're called bounty platters, and it's eggs, Mickey waffles, sausage, bacon. You can also get grits and potatoes, but we don't really like grits, so they give you extra of the rest. But it's plenty for all of us. And also, because we've got the resort mugs, we can get coffee for free. We don't really need any drinks. So they let you get 2 extra sides with them as well. So that is our drink.
Roll, and then Jack likes to have cereal with milk, so that's another snack. So you can get these 2 instead of your drink, and all of this for 2 quick service credits. And that feeds 5 of us.
So everything you see there is 2 credits. Did I not cut up your sausages properly? Merely enjoying her breakfast. She likes her Mickey waffles with jam.
And then Jack's like 8-course breakfast.
Jack eats like a horse. Have you got the sandwich, sausages, bacon, eggs, Mickey waffle with cereal to follow. You making a hidden Mickey?
It's right there, but sometimes he's made of fence with a dead leg.
Making a tower?
Do you know what a border means?
A border? Tell me.
A fence.
A fence? Very political, Millie.
So we're just at the bus stop waiting for a bus to Typhoon Lagoon. It's about 12 o'clock. We've had a chill morning after a very late night last night. Quick service breakfast. And Jack is just writing his cousin Livia a postcard. And we're slightly jealous of that bus because it goes to the Disney cruise. So can you imagine like going from beach club onto a cruise? That's goals right there, isn't it, Jack? Yeah.
Morning!
This is pretty exciting. We've never been to Typhoon Lagoon, have we?
Yeah,
we've been to Blizzard Beach, but we've never been to Typhoon Lagoon.
We've been to Blizzard Beach.
So brand new place for us to visit.
Talking of Blizzard Beach, there's a bus going to Blizzard Beach.
There is. It wasn't supposed to be here for 20 minutes.
We're going to Blizzard Beach then?
Yeah.
Slight change of plan. It was 20 minutes for a Typhoon Lagoon bus, so we decided to jump on Blizzard Beach bus.
We don't mind, we just want to go to a water park.
Exactly. The kids weren't sure about water slides either last year, so this year they're much more into them. They'll be much more onto all the big slides and stuff. You know, there's lots of Tim Tracker fans, so you know what I'm going to say? Keying up the bus, keying up the back. Keying your sound. How's it go?
Half the sign is the all different colours of sign, like red, white, and black.
Wow, that was super quick. It took about 5 minutes and we are almost at Blizzard Beach. We will get to Typhoon Lagoon one day, but water park's a water park, right? And they don't go on the huge slides yet, so wherever we sit, we sit. We're only going to be here for a few hours. I've got a reservation at Akershus at 5 o'clock and a fast pass at Soaring at 6:35, and I want to do both. And I want to go on the Anna and Elsa ride.
You've never been to Blizzard Beach? They have a lazy river, they have a giant water slide,
And it looks half empty, which is great. It is Monday. Apparently they're packed for the weekend, so water parks locals. Good day to come. So in we go. There's Winter Summerland mini golf over there. And Blizzard Beach is over here. Open from 10 till 5 today. Come in and have an ice day. So it looks like a little ski village. It's a very slow day because everything is less than 15 minutes, which is unheard of. So I think Dom will be going on every single ride, and that's the whole park. The kids don't like a whole lot of water slides.
Massive lazy river goes around the whole thing.
Yeah, but don't get lost like we did last time. That's so cool.
Here you go, big guy.
So thank you.
So there's some directions on the back, so what you do is you just follow those, you put that on there, and you'll be good to go and have a magical day.
Great, thank you. After walking all around the park, we finally found some beds. I said it wasn't busy, but it seems to be that a lot of people have got beds, so maybe it's busier than I think, I don't know. All the wait times are low. So the boys are going on this one. We're all going on this one now. That was so good.
That was really good. We just rode the family
raft ride. We're going to go on it again, and Dom's going to do Summit Plummet, I think.
We don't know our way around at all. So we're going to try and take the ski lift up, but that means we have to walk down to the base of the ski lift. It's quite high up, this one. Still going. Got a great view though. Wow, look at that. Oh, that was really good fun. It just kind of drops you straight down really super fast. What did you guys go on the family raft?
Yeah.
Was it good?
I don't know if it's because we like her.
Probably.
Went super fast.
Did you like it, Mel?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're going to go to the wave pool, aren't we, Jack?
Yeah. I'll get you a view from underwater.
Jack's obsessed with going to the wave pool. So here we are. Lucas is loving it.
So the boys are just in the wave pool and Millie desperately wants to go on this slide. That's right near where we're sitting. Well, it comes out right near where we're sitting. Oh, there's Lucas. Was it fun? You're crazy. Is it fun? Yeah. Minnie wants to go on another ride. She doesn't like it in her eyes. She needs to...
We were worried about you, so we came to find you.
Oh no, she wants to go on another ride. Her eyes were hurting. She needs to wear goggles, really.
Yeah. That's so fun.
It was fun. Big wave. Really big waves, but really fun. Millie wants to go on this one, so we're going to go try find that. Lucas!
So Jack and I are going to go on this ring ride. Unfortunately a little too little, it's a 48-inch one. Try and show someone coming down. Here they come. Very cool. Let's go, Jack.
So it's about 3:30 and we are done at Blizzard Beach. Woo! We're just going to all get dressed and go home and then head out again straight away to Akershus for our
Dinner.
All dressed on our way out and we're hoping for a bus. I don't know how often the buses come here. Hopefully fairly quickly. Jack is taking advantage of every last bit of water and these two are just like chill in the pram. So hopefully they'll be good for dinner. Fingers crossed. And at stand number 8, just as we got here, a bus pulled up like magic. Oh, go and then post it. Good girl. That's going to go all the way to London now.
And we're here, back in Norway. Little two. It is hot. It's about 5 o'clock, but it's super hot.
So we are just in line for Akershus for the Princess Storybook dining. We're a little bit late, shocking, but we're here now. So this is a royal banquet hall, apparently, but Norwegian style. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait to meet her. She's the princess we've not met.
There's always quite a long queue, so we have to sit on the wall all the way along. And it goes on to there. By order of Her Highness the Queen, today has been declared a special day in honour of the world's best loved storybook princesses.
It's a buffet.
Yes, kind of hard.
Yeah, I love buffets. They're my favourite.
So I think we're meeting Aurora now. Just around that corner there. Oh, it's actually Belle. What are your names? You all are brothers and sisters. Heading over to our table now. Oh, nice corner out the way table.
We're going to meet Aurora and Belle. We're going to meet Aurora and Cinderella.
Are we? Snow White and Ariel just walked past. How it works here is you choose from like salads and fruits for your starter, then you can choose a main course, and then they bring you a selection of dessert. And it's a really good kids menu, really healthy, salmon, chicken, and they can have rice and vegetables here. It makes me very happy. I'm being asked to pronounce the menu in Norwegian. So traditional kotkak. Is that right? Really good. It's kake. Okay, great. So Jack's already been up and picked up a plate full of smoked salmon, of course.
And I tried to pick.
So this is the cold buffet you get first. Loads of different salads, pasta, fruit, cheese, cold meat, rolls, pickles, lots of meats and salads here as well. And then it's like a really Scandinavian food or Norwegian food. It's capers and smoked salmon and a pasta salad, an egg, an onion, and then some peppered mackerel. Oh, I think actually that is called Glasmeister herring or Glasmeister slid. So that That looks very Norwegian. Tom seems to have ordered a very big girly cocktail, but the waitress says it's lovely, and I have gone for my old favourite, the Magical Star, which I missed yesterday, even though the wine was lovely. Yes, it is. Right. That's a really good idea. This time it's pink. Last time it was blue, wasn't it?
You can change the colour.
Oh, okay. That would be why then. Our waitress is lovely. She's going back home to Norway in 3 months. Everyone who works in a country is from that country, so it's always fun to ask them about Norway and whether the food is authentic, and she says it is. And she says you must try the goat's cheek, so I'm going to try that in a second. It's time for the princess procession.
Oh, you're a princess.
Oh, there, Aurora. Oh, we've got Aurora. Go on, go on, Millie. Oh, Snow White. There's Ariel. There's Aurora. There they are. Hi guys. This is the goat's cheese, and it's really, really nice. It's very sweet. It's not caramel like I thought it was, it's actual cheese. Nice, isn't it? Dak really liked the goat's cheese, which is this brown stuff, because he's got loads. The food's just come out, so there's kids' chicken. There's a mixed grill, the salmon, and the adult salmon. All looks really nice, doesn't it, guys? What's really good here is that they give you a vegetable and a carb with your meal for kids. A lot of places you have to choose. Oh wow! We've got a good seat because all the princesses go in and out of this special door. Over here. Oh look, he's coming. Oh. You've been using a dingle hopper, a fork? We used a brush. Have you ever used a brush?
I usually just use the dingle hopper.
Thank you. Bye. Oh, desserts here, guys. Look at that.
This one is a rice cream with strawberry sauce. In the middle is the apple cake. Then we have a chocolate mousse cake with coconut sprinkles.
We have been given 2 of them, and they don't really serve it, but Lucas was such a good boy that they brought him a whole plate of chocolate chip cookies, didn't they? It's enough for everyone, isn't there, Luke?
Did you make a hidden Mickey?
Yeah.
Well done.
We are pretty much all done with our meal, but we're not going anywhere because there is a big old storm outside. Through that little window, we can see people running, and they've got ponchos on, umbrellas. It doesn't look good. And our waitress said, I would suggest you just stay here for a little while. And we're just going to stay put for 10 minutes or so and see what happens. Well, we managed to get out there. It's not raining, but it does look very, very grey. So we're straight on to Frozen Ever After for our fast pass.
Oh, here we go.
So we're back in our room, dryish. It's not raining anymore, but I think it is going to be raining tomorrow. On the other side of the quiet pool, there's a room with like 4 washers and 4 dryers, which is so much better. So I'll try and show you that when I go back. And also in there is insect repellent if you're looking for that around the resort. There's not too many bugs out at the moment, but I'm sure as it gets warmer and stormier, there may well be. So that is a location where you can get bug repellent if you should need it. So yeah, we've had another really good day. Water park, Epcot, Akershus. I wasn't too impressed with Aurora. She just wasn't very princessy and seemed to like be ordering the children around rather than playing her role. But apart from that, the princesses were all amazing. The food was great, the service was great, so I'm really happy with Akershus. We managed to get on the Frozen ride again, and the kids wanted to go on Test Track, but it was bedtime and it was temporarily closed because of the storm. So the kids are all just having showers and having a little play and TV time before bed, and I'm about to hit the shower and write a blog that accidentally got deleted, so I've got to redo that, which is really annoying, but hey, it has to be done. So thank you for watching. If you like what you see, we would love for you to join us and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below if there's anything you want to say to us. We love hearing from you. It might take us a little bit of time to get back to you at the moment because we are out and about every day, but we will get back to you eventually. So with that, I think we will say good night. See you tomorrow. So I'm all showered and kids are all showered, but they're still up watching TV. But I'm going back to the laundry room outside the pool area to go and put stuff in the dryer. So it's this side to the laundry, through this door. I guess you could approach it from the other side if you live over that way. And look, it's a whole boardwalk over there, isn't that pretty? And the hot tub here is lovely. Me and the boys were in it a couple of nights ago. So across there's a building, and that's the laundry. Right in here is a laundry room like we had when we stayed at Port Orleans, Riverside, and at Caribbean Beach Resort, and the insect repellent that I told you about earlier. Right, and that's started. So that's the little machine that you pay at. You put your card in, you select what machines you want, and then it goes. I think these rooms around the pool would be lovely during the day, but the pool's open till 11, so maybe not so great if you have young kids, because the walls aren't that soundproof. We've got very loud neighbours at the moment, and they don't talk for very long, but when they do talk, you can hear everything they're saying. The view is fantastic, like I said. There's the dance hall, there's the boardwalk. I mean, these rooms must have an awesome view of that. For what we have right now, I prefer my little quiet garden view. Hardly anyone ever walks past. I like that it's on the ground floor. We're right by the marketplace, in between this pool and the other pool. Oh, and near the lobby. So yeah, that really works for us. Always go the wrong way. I live this way. Oh, and I will try and do a proper room tour and hotel tour at some point tomorrow or the next day. For right now, it's time to get these little munchkins to sleep. It's like 9 o'clock. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, nice pajamas.
Thank you.
Very festive. Not festive. It's the wrong word. Like
Appropriate.
appropriate. That's the word.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I try in secret.
Yes. I like it. I'm yawning, Mickey. I feel like that.